In today's video, I'll show you how you can change Google Chrome back to English. If for some reason it's changed to a different language, I'll show you the steps that you need to take to change it back to English. So if this video does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below, and we'll jump into it. So when you're on Google Chrome and when you've got it open, go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the three dots. Then what you want to do is click on Settings. Now again, if you're not in English, it will be the third button up from the bottom. So you've got Exit, Help and Settings. So click on that. Once you've done that, you should see a page like this, and it will probably have a picture of yourself and a picture of your Google account. So what you need to do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and we should see a downwards arrow. If you're not in English, this is a button called the Advanced Options, and you should be able to notice it by the downwards arrow. So click on that, and then it's going to pull up languages. It's going to be the first box that automatically appears when you click on that arrow. Now what you need to do is click on the first box, which is language. So click on it, and it's going to pull down a new box here. Now at the bottom of that new box, which has just appeared, so you can see the box appears here, you want to click on Add Languages, which is going to be a blue link. And then it's going to open up a search box where you can search for English. So here we can choose any English language. I think the bottom one is United Kingdom, no matter what language you currently have it in. So click on that, and then click the blue button here, which should appear when you have one selected. Then it's going to add that language to the bottom of the list. So just above the blue link here, which is Add Languages, you'll see the language that you've currently added. Come to the right of that and go to the three dots. Click on that, and then click on the top box, and it will display Google Chrome in this language. Now mine is currently English United Kingdom, but if yours was changed to a different language, then you will click on that button. For example, if I wanted to change it to French, I will click on the dots and click this button here. Once you've done that, you'll see a button which is blue, which is a relaunch button. If you click on that, it's going to close out your web browser and relaunch it in that language. So that's all you've got to do, guys. If that helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, let me know if this was helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one.